Imagine Apple's next wearable isn't on your wrist, in your pocket, or even on your face. Imagine it's a tiny ring on your finger, tracking your health, controlling devices, and possibly changing how you interact with the Apple ecosystem. Sounds futuristic? But in 2026, the Apple Ring story has suddenly become much more interesting. Welcome back to TechVibe, where we separate real technology from internet hype. And today we're diving into what Apple is doing with smart ring technology, what the latest rumors say, and why this could matter if it ever reaches your hand. First, the most important fact. Apple has not officially announced an Apple Ring. There is no confirmed release date, no official price, no final design, and not even a confirmed product name. So claims of a definite 2026 launch should be treated as speculation. What has changed is evidence that Apple continues exploring ring-based technology. The rumor got fresh energy in June 2026, when leaker Kosatami claimed an iRing was under development and suggested it would compete with products like Oura and Samsung's Galaxy Ring. That claim is unverified and included no specifications or launch schedule, but it arrived after years of Apple patent activity around finger-worn devices. And this is where the story gets serious. Apple has patents describing electronic rings that can collect biometric information, detect gestures, communicate through near-field technology, provide haptic feedback, and control other devices. One Apple patent application published in February 2026 describes a ring device with heart rate sensing, temperature sensing, wireless charging, near-field communication, motion detection, and gesture control. The documents also describe possibilities such as electrocardiogram sensing, photoplethysmography, voice input, and using hand gestures to control an external display. That does not mean all of those features will appear in a commercial product. Patents often protect ideas that never ship. But the important point is that Apple's ring research is not simply a fan-made concept. Even more interesting, a separate Apple patent granted in July 2026 describes an electronic ring working with multiple devices and even a head-mounted device. In one example, the system could detect where the user is looking and then use ring gestures to control the selected device. Imagine adjusting a HomePod's volume with a finger movement, pointing toward a display to control content, or using a ring as a subtle input device while wearing Vision Pro. That could be Apple's advantage. Oura has built its reputation around sleep, recovery readiness, and health insights. Samsung has pushed the smart ring category deeper into the mainstream. Apple, however, owns an enormous ecosystem. An Apple Ring would not need to be just a smaller fitness tracker. It could become an always-available control layer for iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, Mac, Apple TV, HomePod, smart home devices, and Vision Pro. Now think about health tracking. Your finger can be a useful location for optical and temperature sensors because a ring stays close to the skin. Existing smart rings already demonstrate that people are willing to wear a screen-free device overnight, especially when sleeping with a smartwatch feels uncomfortable. For Apple, a ring could fill one obvious gap: users who want passive health tracking without wearing an Apple Watch 24 hours a day. That could mean continuous sleep trends, resting heart rate information, temperature changes, activity data, and recovery-style insights. Apple's patent material has also referenced ECG and blood oxygen sensing in ring configurations. Again, those are documented technical possibilities, not confirmed Apple Ring specifications. And there is another reason a screen-free Apple wearable could make sense: battery life. A display is one of the biggest power consumers in a smartwatch. Remove the screen, reduce constant interaction, and suddenly multi-day battery life becomes much more realistic. Apple has not confirmed Apple Ring battery life, but competitors have already trained consumers to expect smart rings to last several days between charges. If Apple enters the market, anything close to daily charging would immediately face criticism. Design would be just as important. Apple would need to fit sensors, a battery, wireless components, and durable materials into something people actually want to wear every day. That means size options matter. Comfort matters. Water resistance matters. Scratch resistance matters. And unlike a watch band, a ring has to fit closely enough for reliable sensor readings without becoming uncomfortable when fingers swell during exercise, heat, or sleep. Then comes the biggest question: why would Apple make a ring when it already has the Apple Watch? That exact issue may be one reason the product has taken so long. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported in 2024 that Apple was not actively developing a smart ring at that time and had concerns that such a device could take sales away from Apple Watch. That remains an important contradiction to newer rumors. Apple could still decide that a ring makes more sense as a companion device rather than a watch replacement, and that strategy could completely change how it is marketed. Imagine Apple selling the ring not as Apple Watch without a screen, but as a health and control accessory that works better when combined with other Apple products. The watch could remain the visual fitness computer, while the ring quietly gathers overnight data and enables gestures during the day. Together, they could provide more continuous tracking than either device alone. Pricing is another mystery. No credible source has confirmed a price, but Apple would have to decide whether this is a premium accessory, an entry point into Apple Health tracking, or both. Subscription strategy would also matter. Oura is closely associated with a membership model, while Apple already monetizes services through products like Apple Fitness Plus and iCloud. A ring that works without a required monthly health subscription could become a strong competitive message, but that is only speculation today. Privacy will also be huge. A device collecting intimate health signals, movement data, and potentially authentication information will need strong security. Apple's patents discuss biometric authentication and NFC-based interactions, which raises fascinating possibilities. Could a future ring help unlock an iPhone or Mac? Could it authenticate actions? Could it interact with smart locks or other nearby devices? Technically, Apple's research shows interest in this territory, but Apple has not confirmed consumer features. So, is the Apple Ring actually coming in 2026? Right now, the authentic answer is, we do not know. There is no official 2026 launch announcement. The strongest current picture is a combination of fresh but unverified development rumors and real Apple patent activity. That makes an Apple Smart Ring plausible, but not guaranteed. And that uncertainty may be exactly why this story is worth watching. Apple rarely wins by being first. It waits, studies what people like and hate, then tries to connect a new product to an ecosystem competitors cannot easily copy. If Apple decides smart rings are ready for its version of that strategy, the most important feature may not be one health sensor or one gesture. It may be the way the ring connects everything you already use. Would you wear an Apple Ring every day, or would you rather keep the Apple Watch on your wrist? And what would convince you most? Better sleep tracking, several days of battery life, gesture control, or no subscription? Drop your answer in the comments because I want to see what feature people actually care about before Apple makes any move. This is TechVibe, where the future gets filtered before it reaches your feed. Subscribe for the next Apple leaks, verified tech updates, and deep dives without the fake hype. And remember this one, because if Apple's smallest wearable ever becomes real, the device that changes the ecosystem might be the one with no screen at all.